Making friends can be a difficult task, but it's an important aspect of life. Having a strong social support system can improve your overall well-being and happiness. In this video, we'll be walking you through some tips and strategies on how to make friends and build meaningful relationships. First and foremost, it's important to put yourself out there. Sitting alone at home won't do you any favors in terms of making friends. Instead, try to put yourself in social situations where you can interact with new people. One great way to meet new people is to join a club or group that aligns with your interests. Whether it's a sports team, book club, or volunteer group, these are great opportunities to find people with similar interests and hobbies. Another tip is to be open to meeting new people. Sometimes, we get stuck in our own comfort zones and don't take the initiative to start a conversation with someone new. Remember that everyone is just as nervous as you are when meeting someone new, so don't be afraid to take the first step. When meeting new people, it's important to be a good listener. Ask them questions about themselves and truly listen to their answers. Showing genuine interest in others will make them more likely to want to be friends with you. Another way to build friendships is by finding common ground with people. For example, you can find a community event, volunteer opportunity, or join a club where you can meet people who share similar values, goals, and interests. And when you find people with common interests or goals, try to set up a study group or meet up for regular activities. Lastly, don't be discouraged if you don't make a close friend right away. Building friendships takes time and effort. Just keep putting yourself out there and interacting with new people, and eventually, you'll find the right connections. Remember, making friends takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By putting yourself out there and being open to meeting new people, you'll be able to build a strong network of friends and improve your overall well-being.